maybe all general archetypal life situations which are options for us to choose between, especially when you're trying to make a decision one way or the other, and you're asking an oracle like the Sabian Symbols Oracle for help, you should believe that within those 360 options that this oracle is giving us, because they're limited, we can find something that would accurately point us to the right way of dealing with the thing that we're trying to solve. If we don't believe that, then maybe we shouldn't even look there, we shouldn't even use them. So I don't know, if you feel like this is based on what I explained to you, where they come from, how they have been discovered, what sort of things we can expect or not, maybe you can decide the other way around, that this is something that you simply don't resonate with. But when we start asking questions and seeing symbols in the chart and trying to connect the zodiacal position, the house position, then with the added degree meaning, whether we would trust that there is really a connection between them, we have to be very sincere. So condition number 1 is you have to ask the question not just out of curiosity, not just to test the oracle and see whether it's working or not very quickly, but you have to seriously put it in your mind that there is a real problem, there is a real thing that you're trying to solve here or to clarify. And only if you ask for help sincerely, you're going to be given an accurate answer. And the more sincere you are, the more accurate the answer will be. The more cooperative you are with the process, the more accurate the answer will be. And you also have to be very open to what it comes back with, because if you ask and you don't get the kind of reply that you have been expecting or hoping for, you shouldn't repeat it again and again and again. You should stay with the first one that it gave you. Obviously, there is a connection between our own subconscious and systems like this, the Sabian symbols too, that somehow they don't give us anything new. They don't give us anything that we don't already know about ourselves or our lives. They just bring it out to the surface. Many things we have no other way to reach. As much as we try to be honest with ourselves, as much as we try to find information or help or logical data about something, it remains as a gap there that no other system, apart from those very subjective and magical systems, oracles and so on, can help us bring out into the light what is underneath the surface, but is our actual genuine reality. And we so often don't want to accept it. We don't want to see what's in front of our eyes. And if we willingly decide that now is the time that we should do this, we can use these methods to help us bring it out. And I don't know how, I honestly don't know how, but they always do it for us. They always come back reliably with the right answer.